Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
Rampage, wow, here she is.
It's got you screaming
In all her glory. What a beautiful specimen. Gigantic 53 by 100, 1450 kV, 8-pole motors. Oxidean by Castle, XL2 ESCs, OPS 01L servo. And look at that brace for the hull we have on the servo mount. 90-degree fittings, 90-degree plugs, gigantic 5-gauge wire, aluminum reinforced ESC mounts, ultra thickened, strong hull, beefy squared out drives, flat at the bottom for a planing surface, and look, they're channeled for less drag. Push-pull cable steering, sleek and realistic design.